I just cut through there and I'm going back where I started. And when I get further down, I'm gonna cut through the grass to go on the pavement. It's easier to walk through. That pavement where the guy in the red shirt is walking, I'm gonna go through there. If I cut through here right now, it's a long distance. I'm waiting when the road sort of get narrower, and then I'll cut through the grass. And look at all those birds. I just love looking at. I didn't know. Wow, that's weird. I just realized I'm a freaking bird watcher. Don't know any name of birds, but lately every time I see birds, I see ducks, I see geese, I see squirrels. I don't know, record them. Look at them. I don't think I'm a bird watcher. I'm a bird stalker. Can't really see the screen of my camera, but whatever I'm able to capture, that's what it is. It's a whole bunch of them. There's some over there by the tree. I need to look at them. It's a whole bunch of them over there. So I was over there, turn here, and now I'm right here. Look at all the birds over there.